Bulk versus Hill Torah North Suburban Day School, 426 N.E.2d 976. Appellate Court of Illinois, 1st District, 3rd Division. Substantive facts. Plaintiff appeals an order of trial court granting summary judgment in favor of Hill Torah North Suburban Day School. Grade school child Helen Bulk was expelled from the private Jewish school mid-year. Helen's parents are seeking to appeal to her expulsion and the specific performance of the school's contract to educate Helen. The plaintiff alleges the defendant acted in bad faith, and the expulsion was motivated by the defendant's leadership role in combating the epidemic of head lice at the school. The complainant also alleged of the school uniquely corresponding to the religious commitments. The defendant's answer stated that Helen was expelled to pursuant school regulations for excessive tardiness and absences. Procedural facts. Illinois law recognizes the availability of a remedy for monetary damages for private schools wronged for expulsion of a student in violation of its contract. The issue involves personal relationship between a child and a private school. Issue. The issue is if whether the court will exercise its jurisdiction to order a specific performance of a valid contract, and it is a matter within the court and dependent upon the facts of each case. Holding. Yes, affirmed and remanded. The trial court rule. The trial court denied plaintiff's request for a preliminary injunction. Both sides moved for a summary judgment. The trial court denied plaintiff's motion and granted the motion of the defendant in the same order. The trial court gave the plaintiffs leave to file an amended complaint for money damages. Reasoning. The contract is one which establishes a personal relationship calling for retention of personal services, and the proper solution for a breach is generally not a specific performance, but rather an action for money damages. Applying these principles to the present case, the trial court granted summary judgment in favor of the defendant that the relationship between a grade school student and a grade school is personal in nature. It also shows the apparent performance of such contract requires personal services. Personal services offered by one school, particularly like the defendant, the continuation of a relationship between a young child and a private school, which openly resists that relationship. In this case, the trial court exercises sound judgment in ruling that the plaintiffs are best left to remedy for damages. The best outcome is to remedy for damages for a breach of contract. Cook County is affirmed in the causes and remanded for further proceeding to file an amended complaint for money damages.